Service IRS in Ogbaru also arrested involved in the illegal during the raid. Chibuzo Obidike has the details.
It was carried out by the task force set up by the OCHA Brigade and Anambra Services. Briefing journalists on the development, the public relations officer of OCHA Brigade, Mr. Anthony Ogbaru, said the arrests followed petitions received by the brigade from residents of the area who were extorted by the gangs. Mr. Ogbaru emphasized that each of the suspects were caught red-handed in the illegal activities. According to him, the state government had made known its zero tolerance for all kinds of touting activities, just as he assured that it remains government's priority to protect law-abiding citizens of the state against criminal elements.
Still on the same process, the enforcement process that was going on, particularly those who are going contrary to the IGR payment, and some who are taking law into their hand, and some who are impersonating, particularly over the inland revenue. So OCHA Brigade, being the servant of the state, usually have a mandate that orderliness is what we used to establish.
Some of the suspects, including Mr. Chidebere Nweke and Chukwuebuka Anyanwu, denied the allegations leveled against them.
No mistake, because no matter keke can lie, so no keke can be reload. Do a nation enough. Make la kona those are not all.
Ano mo lega wote na kam tenera fe motoro. Ticket fa fulo. Mane kuna kama utatabiri kama utachoya mmoja abugo hawo ko ya po ko rango age ni ko mamu agaro.
In Awka, Chibuzo Obidike, ABS News.